Yeah, hello. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. As you can see me, I'm with my ninth wheel. Charlie, I just had some terrible dream about Amara, and I have to disclose it before it will be unveiled or it will come true. And I'm praying it will not come true. It's all about Amara new friend. Yeah, so I've seen it's not I've seen like the dream I had. Yeah, the dream I had was like a lot of people were pressuring him that like he should sack Amara for from his apartment because that guy is a scammer, is a fraud, is a scam and something like that. And I just wake up and I was like, yo, is it a dream or is it content? So I don't know. But I have some one, two, three I want us to discuss. Yeah, because like I know I know Amara like is a big man like who always appreciates people's efforts, who always likes to mingle with rare people, but it turns out to be like they are fake. And I'm here to advise Amara new friend because like I've seen a lot of enemies around the corner waiting for Amara to have misunderstanding with his new friend. You see that thing? I know a lot of like YouTube reactors are there praying that yo Amara should have like some fight with like his new friend so that we can create content about it. And I'm praying that yo bro, the new friend like his name is Mutia or something like that. Yeah, it's a Mutia or something like that. Yeah, please. I'm down on my knees. I beg you, please, I beg you, don't let the enemies, what the enemies are expecting to come into past. I know right now you have your own YouTube creating content, and Amara also is helping you for your YouTube to be well known because I've seen him sharing your content every day, like creating content with you every day. And I'm begging you, please, don't be like Ivan. Ivan is a sellout, it's a gold digger, it's fake. Don't be like him because I know that a lot of people are there waiting for you to have some misunderstanding with Amara, and they will be like, yo, I hope we told you that this guy is fake. Like he tries to mingle with some people, he tries to be ahead of them, something like that. Please, we don't want that thing to happen between you and Amara because Amara and Ivan, we thought it was a mutual like love, something like that, not knowing Ivan have his own intention like yeah, something like that. Yeah, and we are praying, please don't let Ivan's spirit be into you. Like yeah, because I've seen a lot of fake people, I've seen a lot of enemies around praying that Joe, I beg, try and sack Amara from your apartment so that we can get content to create. Please, I'm down on my knees. I beg you, please. Don't let what they are expecting to come true. Don't let what they are expecting to come true. Because I know that right now you are happy creating content and the content are going. Your channel is also moving. Please just stick to Amara, and I know Amara will make you feel happy. I beg you, don't let the enemies have power over us. I know that right now, Majesty, Black TV or something like that, and others are waiting for you to have some one and two fight with Amara so that they cannot create content with it. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. You see that like I'm with my ninth word. I had a dream about you, like betraying Amara, and I don't want it to come into pass. I don't want these enemies called themselves reactors to get Amara. Please, 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 please. That's why today, I'm very tired. Yeah, like I told myself today I will not create any content, but I just had this dream about you, and it's good for me to address it, and I'm praying it will not come past. And I know I trust you, Mutua or something like that. I trust you. I know you will not behave like Ivan. You see, I'm even sleeping. I'm tired. But the love I have for Amara, like, is very, very, very great. Yeah, I don't fake my love. It's true love. That's the thing. So I don't want you to be like Ivan in this, because right now I know, like, even if Amara do good things, they'll still come here and talk trash. So please don't let these enemies get over us. Don't let these enemies get over us, because right now I know that they are praying very, very hard, like to get content to create. And please, I know you're more matured than Ivan. Don't let a girl come between you and Amara. Like, yo, if Amara come with a girl, Charlie, be on your lane, and let him be on his lane, because he like white girls and that's his own thing. So don't let girls come between you guys and be a sellout. I know that you are more matured, and you will not behave, and you will not do what Ivan did. Yeah, I know. I trust you. Yeah, I trust you. I know you will not do that, because Ivan, I was sensing something funny about him, and it's come to pass. Yeah, I know that you too. You will not do anything terrible like what Ivan did. I know you. I know you will not do that. Yeah, I know you will not do that. I know you will not do that. So please, 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 me and all Amara family, we are down on our knees. Please don't let the enemies. Let me say what. Don't let the enemies use you, or don't let the enemies possess you. Better, don't let the enemies possess you. Yeah, so that you start behaving funny. So as Amara, Charlie, I beg you because like recently Ivan is doing a lot of shit, and we haven't even solved that issue. We are still solving it. Yeah, so please don't let what I dreamt about come to pass. And I know you will never let people here on YouTube to possess you or to say something to you like Amara is fake, he is fraud, or something like that. Yo, like seeking fun to do something in your village is not fraud or scam and something like that. Because I've seen lots of like travelers second fans to innovate their towns and things, and it's normal. Yeah, it's normal. Yeah, so please, you're the reason why right now I'm here with my nice way. Like, you see, I wanted to sleep. I'm even feeling sleepy. Yeah, you see that thing. So please, this is what I have to say. And all my fans, please, if you're watching right now, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to it. I'm out.